So that green. Yep. Yeah. And you hit the X. Yeah. So another green. So that one is not too far into the back. Like that's okay.
Yep.
Got a red.
Red.
Found that one twice, but again, that's okay. Yeah. That's about we're pretty lenient. I feel like with the black sometimes.
Yep.
Green. I would say even still, like front back, like you can really tell if it's more than 50%. Like they'll only really go. That's red? Yep. That's good, okay. Yeah, so we'll keep running that on the way back.
I know it's not, but I'm going to just stop. But I don't know I don't
So then we just that all come back down. And yeah, it'll be hard to see this but it'll be recording how many beats it's on. So when it's fully in, it stops, it says finish, and then over on that text it'll be showing I think R3